Fortnite aim assist not working. Here's how to enable it properly. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to fix Fortnite aim assist not working. Sometimes in Fortnite, players notice that their aim assist is not working properly, especially when using a controller. Aim assist helps your shots stay on target more easily, making it smoother to aim at opponents. If it feels off, you may need to check your controller settings and sensitivity options to make sure everything is enabled correctly. First, open Fortnite on your PC and wait for the game to load completely. Then click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen to open your profile menu. Next, click on the settings icon to open the game settings. Here, click on controller to access all controller options. Then click on sensitivity from the left side menu. Here, you will see how quickly your rotates when using the controller. 1 to 3 the rotation is slow, which is best for precise aiming and careful movements. 4 to 6 the rotation is normal, providing a balanced speed for most players. 7 to 10 the rotation is fast to insane, which is useful for quick reactions and rapid aiming. Select the sensitivity level that feels most comfortable for you. You can test different settings until you find the best one. After selecting, click on Apply to save your changes. Finally, click on Keep Changes to confirm, making sure your aim assist and sensitivity settings work properly in the game. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.